There are many factors to consider when developing packaging and labeling for your food product. You only have a few seconds to grab a customer's attention. Your product needs to stand out from the competition.
When you're starting to think about your company's brand identity and labeling for your packaging, the colors you use will be a huge factor in relating to your ideal customer.
Colors used in product packaging should represent the product flavor when possible. A strawberry flavored product with green colored labels really doesn't work. The customer needs to immediately get it without having to think about it or having to try to figure it out.
Now remember, your product only has a 2 to 3 second window in front of the consumer on the retail shelf. You have to reinforce the flavor visually using color in order to trigger as many senses as possible.
Food has that added advantage of exciting your taste buds, smell, memories, and feelings. So, you really want to use this to your advantage in your overall product packaging and labeling to make that instant emotional connection with the consumer.
Now, the color red is considered the best and most effective food color. It arouses the taste buds and stimulates the appetite. And red is effective at getting noticed, like creating excitability in the body. And most of all, it makes you hungry.
Yellow is the color that most attracts attention and also helps to stimulate the appetite, especially when it's used with red. The fast food industry loves the combination of red and yellow for a good reason. Why? Because it works and it's effective.
I mean, think about McDonald's, Wendy's, Chick-fil-A, and others.
The color orange, which is a blend of red and yellow, also works very well with food companies. So think about Popeyes, Burger King, Dunkin' Donuts.
I mean, the color green represents environmental friendliness and being healthy. However, you have to be careful because green can also be unappetizing. So be sure to use the right shade of green for your product.
Blue is a really cool color and it's used a lot in the food industry, but that can also be unappetizing when it's used incorrectly. Foods that can effectively use blue are ice cream, snacks, beverages.
Yes, and the color white represents clean and pure, but it can also look plain and sterile. So this is another color that needs to be used with caution.
Now, browns and earth tones are warm, they're approachable, they're appetizing, wholesome, and natural. These tones often work well for savory flavors, but also can be used for rich, sweet flavors like chocolate.
Yes, and bright colors represents pops of flavors such as sweets and desserts. Now, fun color combinations work amazingly well with fun foods like candy, beverages, and snacks.
Make sure to visit your local grocery store and check out the packaging in your food product category. Take a look at the colors and start figuring out what colors can most be effective for your own food product. Think about the feeling and emotions you like your customers to experience when they see your product on the shelves. If you'd like to learn more details about the process of getting your food product into retail stores, check out our other videos. But first, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and also hit that bell so you can be notified once we drop another video.